Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Dodge Caravan key fob. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is crucial for prying. Also, make sure you have a new CR2032 battery ready for replacement. Finally, find a clean, well-lit surface to work on, ensuring you have good visibility and space to prevent losing small parts. This preparation makes the process smooth. Now, let's find the opening point on your key fob. Look closely around the edge for a small notch or a visible seam where the two halves meet. This is your entry point. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a steady hand, carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the casing begins to separate, revealing the interior components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the circuit board and the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is important for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a distinct click, indicating that they are securely fastened. Give it a quick test to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.